Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and do a noticing sentence, and we just finished reading and discussing The Invisible Boy earlier. You just leave it there. And we took one great sentence out of this book, and it says, Nathan and Sophie take up a lot of space. Brian doesn't. It's actually two sentences, and so I put it up here. Let's read it together. You ready? Nathan and Sophie take up a lot of space. Brian doesn't. What did Trudy Ludwig do as a writer to make this a great sentence? What's something you notice in it? What do you notice, Mason?
Put Johnny in a line.
I want you to look at the sentence. What did she do to make this a great sentence? What do you think? You keep thinking.
She put period.
Yeah, can you circle the period? Yeah. Why did she put a period?
Because it was a sentence.
Yeah, and how many periods are there?
2.
2. So what does that mean for us? If there are 2 periods, how many sentences are there?
2.
2 sentences. Let's just look and see what they are. Nathan and Sophie take up a lot of space. Brian doesn't. One sentence is really long. Are both sentences really long? Which one's really short, Christopher? Come and read the short sentence. Can you find the short one? Which one is the short sentence? Look, yeah, at the end, right where I see it. So start the beginning of that sentence. Ready? Right here. Brian doesn't. Yeah. What do you notice about these sentences? What else did the author do to make these great sentences? What do you think, buddy? Yes. Come on up. What do you notice about this sentence that the author did to make this a great sentence? What do you notice? No, we're going to look up here, bud. What do you think the author did to make this a really good sentence? Yeah, do you know what that is? Did you notice something? What did you notice? Can you touch it again? Yeah, can you circle that? Put a little circle around that. You need to sit down, Christopher. Yeah, what is that, guys? Does anyone know what its name is? No, actually, what's your name again, buddy?
Nick.
Nick noticed that we have an apostrophe. Can you guys say apostrophe? Apostrophe means that in this word, it's called a contraction. Sit down. It means there are 2 words. Instead of saying does not, you could write it like this. Does not. A more casual way of saying it is doesn't. Doesn't. And so what letter is missing out of doesn't that's in does not? No, I see a T. There's a T. What letter's missing? Yeah, the O out of not's missing. See it? Look, it's right here. And it's missing here. So who's holding its spot? The apostrophe. It's the apostrophe's job to hold the spot. Good job, Mason. All right, what else do we notice, guys? Yeah, what else do we notice? Who's got a noticing? Lily Kate, what's something you notice about this sentence? Come on up and show us something you notice about this sentence. Anything else you notice? What did the author do to make this a great sentence, or 2 sentences actually? Notice anything.
I don't know.
The pencil rubric can help you. Did she use anything from the pencil rubric?
I probably stretched out words.
She probably did stretch out her words. Anything else she might have done?
2 fingers.
She did put spaces. Look at that, Christopher. She put spaces between her words. Do you see that? Why did she do that for us? Why did she do that for us?
So hard to read the words?
Exactly, Christopher. Can you say that again?
So it ain't so hard to read the words.
Yeah, so it's not hard to read the words. Lily Kate, what else did she do to make this a great sentence? 2 sentences, sorry.
She used an uppercase in the first
She
word.
did. She put an uppercase.
No, I don't even know.
Any other uppercases? There's one to start that sentence. Look and see if there are any more uppercases.
Right there.
It's actually lowercase. Mrs. Moore just made it too big.
Here.
Sorry. Yeah. You put 3 lines under to show us that it's capitalized? Good job. Did she do any other capitals?
Let's see.
else
That
did.
one?
Yeah, and why did she do that on Sophie? Why did it says Sophie there? Why do you think she put a capital S there?
Because it's a name.
It is a name, and so it's a proper noun. Can you guys say proper noun?
Proper noun.
You are a proper noun. Did you know that? Yes, you are. And you noticed something? Come on up. What do you notice, bud?
She makes sure that her words and her pictures match.
She did. In the book, she made sure her words and her pictures match. You guys did a lot of noticing. We might look at the sentence again tomorrow and see what else we can notice.